Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a look at the PowerXL SensiMax blending kitchen system, a powerful 1500-watt appliance designed to make meal prep smoother and more efficient. With its smart sensing technology, hands-free blending features, and an array of accessories, this blender promises to be a kitchen powerhouse. So, let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. The PowerXL SensiMax blending kitchen system is built for versatility. At the heart of the system is its smart sensing technology, which can detect the freshness or frozen state of ingredients in just 5 seconds. This feature adjusts the power and speed to ensure you get the perfect consistency, whether you're blending a smoothie or crushing ice for a cocktail. It's a huge time saver and makes meal prep easier than ever. Now, imagine the relief of knowing your blender has you covered, whether you're working with soft fruits or frozen chunks of ice. One of the standout features of this system is its 1500 peak watts of power combined with the 6-tip turbo crush blade. This gives it the muscle to tackle tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice with ease. Whether you're making a frozen margarita or a thick smoothie, this blender has enough power to handle it without the struggle. And while the power is impressive, PowerXL has also incorporated quiet technology, which reduces the noise usually associated with high-powered blenders. You can blend away without disturbing the household or waking up the entire neighborhood. The system offers 3 smart sensing functions: ice crush, smoothie, and chop. It also features 10 speed controls, giving you the flexibility to tackle a variety of tasks, from slicing and grating to pureeing and chopping. It's essentially your all-in-one solution for meal prep. With these functions, you can slice, shred, grate, and even julienne ingredients, ideal for anything from salads to soups. It's not just a blender, but a full-fledged food processor that can save you time on multiple kitchen tasks. But the real beauty of this system lies in the accessories. Along with the 72-aughts perfect pour jar, it includes a 24-aughts personal blending jar for single-serve smoothies. The package also comes with 13 different food processor accessories, like a dicing blade, dicing discs, a julienne disc, and several shredding, slicing discs. There's even a storage case to keep everything neatly organized when you're not using it. This collection of tools really extends the blender's functionality beyond just mixing, making it a full kitchen system capable of handling everything from meal prep to quick snacks. Cleaning up after all that meal prep isn't a hassle either. The 72-aughts perfect pour jar, the 24-aughts personal blending jar, and the 6-tip turbo crush blade are all dishwasher safe. PowerXL has taken care of the most tedious part of the process, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying the fruits of your labor. Now let's talk about my real-world experience with the PowerXL SensiMax. First off, the setup was incredibly straightforward. Right out of the box, I was able to attach the jar, load in some frozen fruits, and get blending. The smart sensing technology immediately kicked in as it adjusted the speed for the frozen ingredients. It was an impressive start. I also tested the ice crush function, and in under 10 seconds, I had perfectly crushed ice for a smoothie bowl. No chunks left behind. I also tried the chopping function with a variety of vegetables. The blender handled soft items like tomatoes and onions with ease, but struggled a little more with denser items like carrots. The 10-speed control feature does give you more precision though, so you can adjust based on what you're processing. Still, for tougher veggies, I found that a few additional pulses were needed. When it comes to blending smoothies, the results were consistently smooth. The smart sensing technology really shines here. It took the guesswork out of blending frozen fruit and yogurt. Even with harder to blend items, I didn't have to stop and scrape the sides, which is a huge plus. However, I did notice that the noise levels were a bit higher when the blender was on its highest setting, but nothing extreme compared to similar products on the market. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, the power of this blender is undeniable. 1500 watts makes it capable of crushing through ice, frozen fruit, and even tough veggies. The smart sensing technology is also a game changer for convenience, as it adjusts to the ingredients you're working with. The included accessories are well thought out, offering a great variety of attachments for different tasks. the quiet operation is a bonus, especially for early mornings or late-night smoothie sessions. But it's not without its downsides. While the blender does an excellent job with most tasks, I did find that some of the harder vegetables, like raw carrots, required more attention than I'd like. It's not necessarily a deal breaker, but it's something to consider if you're looking for a truly all-in-one machine. Another small drawback is the size. If you have a compact kitchen, the 72-aughts jar and accessories might take up quite a bit of counter space or require some storage planning. In terms of value for money, this system hits a sweet spot. At its price point, you're getting not just a blender, but a full kitchen system. When you compare it to other high-power blenders like the Vitamix or Ninja systems, the PowerXL offers a comparable level of performance, especially when you factor in the extra accessories. It's not quite the same top-tier quality as the very best in the market, but considering the versatility and price, it holds its ground. For those who want a powerful, multifunctional appliance without breaking the bank, the PowerXL SensiMax is a solid contender. Let's briefly compare it to other options out there. If you're looking for something with more precision blending, the Vitamix A3500 offers a more refined performance, especially when it comes to consistency, but it's more expensive and doesn't include as many accessories. The Ninja Foodie Power Blender and Processor System is another solid alternative in the same price range, offering similar functions and power. But again, it doesn't quite have the same smart sensing technology, and the accessories are more limited. In terms of build quality, the PowerXL SensiMax feels sturdy, with durable materials that don't feel cheap or flimsy. The 1500-watt motor is more than enough for daily use, and while there's no concrete data on long-term durability, PowerXL's reputation for reliable kitchen appliances is strong. If you're careful with maintenance and regular cleaning, I don't foresee any major issues down the line. I didn't have to reach out to customer support during my testing, but PowerXL has a decent reputation for providing responsive service. Most of the time, issues are resolved quickly through online resources or a direct contact, should you need assistance. To wrap it all up, the PowerXL SensiMax blending kitchen system is a versatile, powerful blender that delivers impressive performance without all the noise. The smart sensing technology takes a lot of the guesswork out of blending, and the included accessories extend its functionality well beyond a typical blender. Sure, there are a few areas where it could improve, like handling tougher vegetables, but overall, it offers great value for money. It's perfect for those who want an all-in-one solution for meal prep that can handle a variety of tasks with ease. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in picking up the PowerXL SensiMax, check out the link in the comments box below. If you've already got one or have questions about its performance, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Till next time, keep blending those smoothies, chopping those veggies, and as always, stay tuned to Reviews Inside TV